coronavirus has shaken the entire world and the situation is very bad. So let's stand together and be socially distant but virtually connected. So during this lockdown, not put any lockdown in learning and gaining new knowledge. So now today I am going to share a video in which tells that how to use a Zoom meeting or how to attend a Zoom classes and how to use a Zoom application. Before starting my video, I can divide this video into two parts. Now, first part. In the first part, this video shows that how to install a use app. So, first thing that you should take a mobile or a desktop or a laptop. Then check your OS of your mobile. If you are having a Android phone, then go to a Play Store. But on the another hand, if you have a iOS, then go to the App Store and follow the same process. Go to the search option and download and type Zoom Cloud Meeting. Now it starts installing. Now we have to wait for a.
As children, you can see now my mobile phone is already having a Zoom option. So it is showing the option update. Now once the Zoom app is installed in your mobile phone, you can easily view that it is appearing on the home screen. Now how to attend the class? The main thing is that once your teacher has sent a link on your WhatsApp group, then you can open that link from your WhatsApp group only. Now you can see there is a link in your WhatsApp group. What you have to do, you have to click on this link and you can see there is a meeting ID over there. Now it will ask you to open with the browser or a Zoom app. As we have already installed a Zoom app, then we'll click on the open with Zoom. Now you can see that a window showing you connecting to your virtual class. Clear? Now children, one thing you have to put in your mind that once you are entering in the class, you have to enter with your name and your class so that teacher can identify you easily that you belongs to a particular class. Now this kind of screen will appear on your mobile phone or your desktop. In that you have to enter with your name and your respective class. Then click on the OK button. Now children, if the teacher is already available for the class, then she will allow you to admit in the class. But if the teacher is not available, then you have to wait in the waiting room until she'll allow you to admit in the class. Once you enter, this kind of option you can see on your mobile phone. Right? Please allow Zoom access permission. Now if you got the permission, that means teacher has allowed you to enter in your class. Once you enter in the class, you can have a view of your teacher like that. Now after that, the option, that means you can see on a screen there are two options: join audio, start video. You always have to join your audio and you have to switch off your start video. And children, make it clear that you don't have to share your screen with the teacher. Only teacher is allowed to share the screen with you. Now like the way you ask in a physical teaching, in the same way you can ask any doubt by writing in the chat box in a virtual teaching. Or Zoom also provides you an option for the raise your hand. That means if you have any query, you can raise your hand and the teacher will identify that you are having a query. She is able to solve your query. Now children, if you want to utilize best of your virtual classes, you have to keep in mind few points. The way teacher take your class in a physical teaching is the same way the teacher will teach you in virtual classes, but you have to maintain a discipline so that no children will talk to each other. Another thing, if you have any query, just raise your hand one by one. If one person is asking any doubt, so wait for him to complete his or her doubt, then you can speak about your query. And another point is that the discipline is very, very important. And if the class is over, then you have to leave the meeting by clicking on the end meeting option in the Zoom app. Now, in the end, I would like to say that stay safe and stay home. Hope you have understood from this video that how to best utilize Zoom app for your virtual classes. Thank you.